Okay guys, 2017, we already, as you can see, we already pulled the head off, and we pulled the lifter number 7 on the left side, the back one. It was collapsed already. So this is the second video. We already have another one, but this one here is to show you what the difference was, collapsed one and not a good one. This is a good one, and you can see the same distance, but this thing was collapsed, so I gotta grind it and I cut it off. You can see this is the ball bearing right here, and then the little balls goes on the inside here. I don't know if we can focus, but that goes right here into this one. So I cut this part off thinking that this thing was going to come out, so I cut it off. This was still collapsed. You can see a gap right here because it's not collapsed no more, it's already disengaged. Then I cut it right here. As soon as I was making another cut right here, this thing came out. But what I'm noticed, it's just the video, the whole purpose is like you guys know what happened to these. I don't know if we can focus into the wall inside here. Can you focus into it?
Yeah.
You see the little cutout right there? This piece supposed to go nice and smooth. It will not go in. Either way, it's supposed to go all the way across. But that's what it was stuck right there. It was stuck because of this little pin goes right here. And you can see the cutoff of the pin. It's exactly the same shape as the one we have on the wall right there. So basically this pin starts making the little notch right there until the push rod, the lifter, went all the way across. It went like this, and it got stuck, you know, it got stuck in here. So when I cut it here, this thing flied out, but this thing's supposed to go all the way through. This one goes right here, as you can see right here, but this thing is supposed to be all the way across, and it's supposed to pass this line too. So I guess the lifter, that's what it travels from here to here, but right here it only travels up to here. I'm gonna force it so you can see this thing is gonna go in right there. That's exactly how it was. It was collapsed right there, but it was more than that because it was way deeper, and the distance between this one and this one, this one was like weighed up to maybe 1/4 of an inch more, and it was all the way inside here, and it's already stuck. You can see a good one, you can see this thing rotates, no problem. But a stock one, you're not going to be able to rotate it because it gets locked in the little groove right there. So if I tap on it, it's supposed to come out. Wow, there you can see the little cutout right here. That's what it's touching, and it's not letting it either go through. So if I send it, it should be nice and smooth, but that's a bad lifter right here. So this little pin is the one that's causing the up and down, and that's what it stops. So this little nipple right here, you can see it's got a mark right here where it's been touching the wall. It actually came out of the wall and it started touching it because it used a little spring right here. This is what I cut it, and it goes right here. Thanks for watching. All these LS motors lifters, no good. They should do an update or something.